Hey guys, welcome to Phone Express YouTube channel. My name is Levina and today I'm joined by my colleagues.
I'm Martin.
I'm Shival.
We are here to unbox the Galaxy Tab A9. Stay tuned to learn more about the features and what makes it an ideal tab for your kids' work and entertainment.
Thank you very much, Levina. So we're going to do the unboxing of the Tab A9 and go through the features or the specs that comes with this tab. So we'll start by unboxing and see what comes inside the box with the tab. Here now I have my Galaxy Tab A9. So as you can see the physical appearance, the tab comes in a 8.7 inch screen. It's got a front camera of 2 megapixels and the back camera is 8 megapixels. It's got stereo speakers too. And also on this is the power button, the volume up and down. It also comes with a SIM slot. So basically this tab, it can support calls as well. And it also, on the SIM slot, it comes with a place to add an external memory. So it can support up to 1 terabyte of memory. So the Tab A9 runs on Android 13 with a user interface of 5.1 and it's supported with a MediaTek Helio G99 processor. So this tablet is good for gaming. It can support gaming well, and also the battery, it's well sustained with the battery. It comes with a battery capacity of 5,100 milliamperes. And if you can see, the size is good for maybe, let's say you want to buy the tab for your kids play. It's good for the kids because it comes with the Samsung Kids. So that definitely means that you can control what sites your kids are accessing. So also that one brings up the issue of parental guide on the tablet. So that is one of the advantages. If you want a tab for your kids, then I would prefer you get this one. Also, it is good for your day-to-day lifestyle. Maybe you want a bigger screen to do your tasks, maybe at work, or also you too, you are a gamer. This tab can also support that as well. When we talk about the storage, you can get it in 4 and 64 GB. So the 4 GB RAMs is quite fast and the storage is sufficient, of which you can also upgrade from the 64 up to 1 terabyte as I had mentioned earlier. So it can also play videos in FHD. So it supports up to 1080p at 30 FPS. Also it comes with a jack port, so you want to listen your music or watch your movie using your earphones, also you can use that. It's also Bluetooth supported. You can connect to Bluetooth, you can use Wi-Fi, so you can connect to mobile data.
The Galaxy A9 has a 24-month warranty backed by Phone Express Service Center. In case you come across any manufacturer defects in your device, you can bring it to any of our Phone Express service centers.
That's all for today, guys. You can explore more about the Galaxy Tab A9 at our online store, phoneexpress.net, or our physical brands at Phone Express, PhoneLink, or selected Airtel brands countrywide. Thank you so much for watching and your continued support. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment at the comment section. Till next time, bye.
Bye.